Hi, viewers, friends and well-wishers. Step into the third part of our arithmetic progressions. TS, AP for the target of SSC, TS 2021 and it is also valid for CBSE, SSC, AP and Polyset, various Olympiads also. It's the third part. So this is our question now. Fill the two blanks in the sequence to the blank 26 is a blank so that the sequence forms an AP. So this is the two terms we had to determine, nothing but if this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3, this is A4. Then you have to determine the values of second and fourth term. Let us switch on to our solution now. So given this is our A is nothing but first term, okay, nothing but our A1. Next this is A2, A3 is given as 26. So we have to determine A2 and A4. Then A2 the value and next the A4 the value we have to find. So we have An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So the general term. Therefore now to find out our second term and fourth term, consider A3. What is our A3? 26. So this implies A plus 3 minus 1 into D by the definition of An is nothing but 26. Replace the value of A. What is our A? Nothing but A1 here. So 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. Now this is a linear equation, one variable, nothing but simple equation. So solving. So 2D is equal to now 26 minus 2 gives you 24. So here the remaining part I am going to do. So 2D is equal to 24 implies D is nothing but 24 by 2 gives you the value of D as 12. So we got here we have A value and D value, then very easily we can go through the second and fourth term. Therefore A2 is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1 into D by the definition of An. So this implies A2 is equal to A, the first term, nothing but here 2 plus 1 into D is 12. 1 into 12 is 12, 12 plus 2 gives you 14. So nothing but the second term is 14. Next, our intention is to get the value of A4. Also A4, directly I am writing A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Because by the definition A plus n minus 1 into D, 4 minus 1, 3. So A is nothing but our 2 plus 3 into D is here I got 12. So 2 plus this is 36 finally gives you 38. So therefore this implies the fourth term is 38. The second term is 14. Now let us analyze our question. So this is our given one. Then we have to determine second and fourth term, and this is the nth term of AP. In AP this is the nth term, the particular term. So given this one, from this I got the value of D as 12. Next, of getting to D value, consider the second term by the definition A plus n minus 1 into D, 2 minus 1 into D. Next, I got here the fourth term. So therefore, or hence, what is the second term I got here? Second term is nothing but 14 and the fourth term is nothing but here it is 38. So 14 and 38, the missing terms here. The most important problem, the missing terms of the AP. Okay, you can have the star mark. Is also important. Level 2, 2 marks. Okay. Once you have the look. So most important problem.